What's up, guys? I know this isn't the best quality for my first video, but I just wanted to tell you guys about this YouTuber. He goes by the name Faded, but he recently changed his name to a.k.a. and yes, I do have screenshots of him having the name. I do have screenshots of me owning the name 8Q, but he recently, I recently changed it to ZVYH because I liked the name 8Q. It's just someone bought it off of me, and me and Faded have had problems before this, but there's so much he hasn't told you about his name. It's bad. He takes people's names. Crypto has screenshots of me with the name 8Q. Yeah, and just Faded comes out of nowhere, not telling anything, and he changed his name because he was mad at me for not doing anything. And, Crypto is here with us. Crypto, say hi. I'm making a video about Faded's name. And yes, you guys can see, hold on, I was on my channel. If you can even search, look, Faded 8Q. And I posted a comment saying, do you guys really want to know the real Faded? Come to my channel for the story. And yes, he is not the nice person that you guys all expect him to be. He has countless times made racial slurs. Crypto, jeez. Crypto, turn that off. Okay. So he was countless times. Crypto, you even know how much times he's called us stuff like that, right? He thinks, he just thinks he's better than everyone at everything. That's really all I have to say about him. If you guys want more, you can go to my Discord. My Discord is no hacks, just combos. I will put it in the description. And, yeah. I'm not saying to send hate over to him, but just give him the message that I'm not really happy about him taking people's names. He took Crypto's name one time too. Remember that, Crypto? Yeah, he took Crypto's name one time. And yeah, I just want to get the message out to you guys that he's not an amazing person. So, yeah.